I think each lens is different and gives you a different view of the world. One lens might make the world feel really small. Another one can add more variety, more space.
Shooting on a wide-angle lens in many cases of photography is like one of the most helpful things in the world, because most of the time when you're taking photos, you're on a street, you see a giant building, you've got a landscape. This lens has really helped me out, like with those cases, whether I'm in a subway and I'm capturing a person just standing there by themselves on the, waiting on the train, or, capturing someone crossing the street.
When comparing with other DSLR lenses, the Lomogon is much lighter and smaller, which make it perfect for packing it into your bag.
The wideness of the angle, it really gives you a rich photographic composition with a lot of details, but it doesn't deform your image, and that's really important.
When I first saw the aperturing, I was like, ooh, that's kind of cool, because the aperture is a perfect circle, which means your bokeh is going to be really, really nice.
I love being able to change my aperture with the dial focus, because it makes it such a quick transition.
Well, one of the nice things about sort of these, the art lens catalog, is it's giving you a look and a feeling that has sort of been lost by a lot of modern designers. What it comes down to is character. It comes down to the ability to have a package that really gives you these unique and distinct images.
With this lens, you can kind of get really up close, 40 centimeters away, which means their whole face fills the frame. There is something quite special about it. The biggest thing about the LCA was that lens, the fact that it, let that huge amount of light in. So to then take this lens that I know so well and redesign it so it works with a DSLR, I mean, it's a huge deal, because it kind of brings that aesthetic to the kind of world of digital.
It's very simple. The simpler you are in your travel, the easier it is to really capture that old nostalgia of the road and the dusty landscape.
I think the only way to stay inspired for shooting photos in the street is by traveling or putting yourself in new surroundings, new environments, meeting new people. To stay inspired, I think that's important.